Is your Trello board resembling more of a public notice board than a secure project management tool? Today, we're taking control and locking down your Trello board to safeguard sensitive information. First, navigate to your Trello board, locate the Show menu button on the right side of your screen, and click on it. A sidebar will appear. From here, select Settings. This opens the Board Settings panel where we can adjust key configurations. Now, find the Visibility setting. This is where you control who can see and interact with your board. Click the Visibility drop-down menu. You'll see a few options like Public, Organization, and Private for maximum security. Select Private. This ensures that only board members can view and interact with the board. If you want members of your organization to view the board but not edit, select the Organization option. Now, it's time to manage your members. Ensure only authorized individuals have access. Click the Members tab in the top menu. Review the list of current members and, if necessary, remove any who shouldn't be there by clicking their profile picture and then choosing Remove from Board. And that's it. Your Trello board is now secured, ensuring confidentiality and preventing unauthorized changes. Keep your project data safe and your workflow streamlined.